I guess I'm doing a plant unboxing today. I was not expecting this until tomorrow. I ordered my top pluck it list plant from Gabriella's Plants. I ordered this on Friday. It shipped out on Tuesday, and then I got it today, which is Wednesday, so that's very, very fast. And yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and open it because I have been thinking about this plant for a very long time. It's been on my list for a while. This and my variegated monstera were the top two I've ever had on my plug it list. So, let me see. It says, from our greenhouse straight to your house, thank you, smile, your plant has arrived home. How cute! And it looks like it's packaged very securely, just like this. So there's a layer of bubble wrap, a piece of foam, and then there is more packaging inside. It looks like the soil kind of got everywhere. I am so tired and hungry, but I am very happy to have my plant. So I think there is 6 to 8 plants actually in this. It's in a 4-inch pot, but I think it's supposed to be a full plant. So it looks like this. Can you tell what it is yet? Okay. I don't think you can really tell what it is right now. It's a silver sword philodendron, and it looks like it arrived just fine. I just need to wash off the leaves real quick because there is pretty much wet soil all up in there. This leaf got a little bit crushed. It's a casualty. They have in the plastic nursery pot, and then this looks like it's just some paper that I guess is supposed to kind of keep the soil in there. Let me just rinse this off so I can actually show it. So I went ahead and rinsed off all of the soil, and it looks like the plant is pretty full. Just that leaf was a little crushed. That one. So overall, I think it is a good looking plant. I think I might be converting this tonight because the soil looks very wet. It's a few days later. I had to end up converting the plant to semi-hydro that night, and I wasn't planning on doing that either. So it was a surprise to me that I got the plant that early because I wasn't expecting it till the next day. And I also was planning on leaving it in soil for a few days at least until I had a few days off. And if I had recorded it, it would have taken me too long. So I'll show you now what I did. This beautiful plant, the silver sword philodendron, I am just so happy to have it. It is doing really well in semi-hydros. And then I put it in this pot that I won from Sharina's giveaway. And also this is a Crazy Plant Guide pot. So it does have a drainage hole at the bottom. I did cover the drainage hole with a little bit of tape because I don't need it for semi-hydro. This is a bamboo saucer that it goes on. So basically the saucer is for aesthetics now. I have a lot of different methods for the way that I get around drainage holes when I don't need them for leca. And this is simply a sandwich bag that I have inside, and then I plop the nursery pot inside. So the sandwich bag is the thing that is holding my water reservoir. So it works. I'm just making use of what I have. They did package it really well. That's what the leaves look like. This one was a little bit crushed. There were a couple casualties, but not much. It's a healthy plant, and I'm happy with my experience overall. And they shipped it out really fast and everything too. So I would order from them again. Okay, that's gonna be it for this video. Thanks for watching. Bye.